Hello foodies and welcome to my channel for another exciting recipe. These tasty tiny bite-sized snacks are perfect for kids after school or your next party. Let's see how to make them. Come on. We will make the filling first, and for that I have ground chicken breast. We will saute it for a minute or so until it changes color. Now for the seasonings and sauces that makes it amazing. You can use more chili sauce if you like spicy. Initially I am just adding the white parts of the green onions, and later on I will add the greens. We will cook this completely uncovered and mixing well. Soy sauce will bring the mixture together. Just mix well and saute again for it to dry out a bit. Now the green part of the onions and some coriander leaves for an awesome fresh herb flavor. Give it a good mix and it's ready. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes coming your way. We will let it cool to room temperature before going ahead with the next step. Here I am using wonton wrappers, but samosa wrappers are also perfect for this recipe. Anything that is easily available. Separate the layers and we will start filling. Place a small amount of the chicken mixture in the center, but don't fill too much. And now we will seal it with the cornstarch and water slurry. This is just cornstarch and water mixed together. Make sure it's sealed properly, pressing on all the sides. Perfect. Make the rest of them similarly. Deep fry until golden on medium heat and don't overcrowd them. Keep moving them around carefully for even frying and even golden color. It doesn't take long to fry these. These are ready and perfectly and evenly golden. Kids will love these for after school snack, or you can make these for your next party. Thank you for watching.